Welcome to the world of YouTube, where creativity flourishes and opportunities abound. In this video, we're uncovering the secrets to monetizing your channel without ever stepping in front of the camera. Join me as we explore the vast realm of YouTube content creation beyond face-centric videos. YouTube, a global platform where creators entertain, educate, and connect with millions worldwide. While many successful channels feature creators on screen, a rising wave of innovative YouTubers has discovered ingenious ways to thrive without revealing their faces. In this video, we're unraveling easy and effective methods for aspiring creators like you to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. Whether it's exploring the power of your voice, the artistry of animation, or niche-focused content creation, there's a path tailored to your preferences. Before we dive deeper, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to join our creative community. In this video, we'll delve into multiple chapters, unveiling practical strategies and tips to help you carve your niche and thrive in the world of YouTube content creation. The first is animation, a playground of imagination. Allows you to craft visually appealing content through illustrations and characters. Software like Toon Boom Harmony or Vyond breathes life into your ideas, presenting information in an entertaining and immersive manner. Whiteboard videos, simple yet powerful. These videos guide viewers through explanations or narratives by drawing or writing on a white background. Tools like VideoScribe or Explaindio transform complex concepts into engaging content, yet visually captivating content. Creators adept in animation and whiteboard videos have established thriving channels, offering educational and entertaining content that engages audiences through artistic storytelling and visual narratives. Voice-over-driven videos harness the power of storytelling, educational narration, or commentary to captivate audiences. Whether it's instructive tutorials, immersive storytelling, or informative presentations, the spoken word possesses a unique ability to resonate deeply with viewers. Accompanying voiceovers with screen recordings amplifies their impact, allowing creators to illustrate points, showcase software demonstrations, or guide viewers through various processes. With tools like Loom, Camtasia, or ScreenFlow, creators seamlessly capture on-screen activities, offering tutorial videos, walkthroughs, or software reviews, sans the need for a face-to-camera setup. This content style transcends boundaries, catering to diverse niches, from tech tutorials and software reviews to educational content in arts, crafts, or language learning. The absence of a visible persona doesn't diminish the quality or effectiveness of the content. Engaging storytelling and informative narration take center stage. Creators adept in these techniques have forged thriving channels, establishing connections and trust with their audiences solely through their vocal expression. By harnessing the power of voice and leveraging technology for screen recording, you can carve a niche, deliver value, and entertain audiences while steering clear of face-centric content. Compilation videos are an amalgamation of diverse footage or content pieces curated to captivate audiences. Whether it's viral moments, informative snippets, or themed compilations within specific niches, these videos enthrall viewers with diverse content seamlessly woven together. Montage videos, known for their seamless blending of visuals and audio, showcase narratives or progressions. From cinematic travel montages to skill demonstrations, they offer viewers a visually captivating experience, transcending the need for a presenter's face. These channels cater to specific interests without relying on on-camera appearances. Tutorial and how-to videos stand as pillars within niche channels, offering comprehensive guidance on various skills or activities. Whether it's art tutorials, DIY projects, technical guidance, or academic subjects, creators proficient in specific domains share valuable insights sans the need for appearing on camera. Gaming channels, renowned for gameplay recordings and commentary, captivate audiences through screen recordings, live streams, or voice-over narrations. Gamers expertly share gameplay experiences and strategies, entertaining viewers without personal on-camera appearances. Niche-focused content resonates deeply within dedicated communities, fostering engagement, loyalty, and trust among audiences. Creators leverage their expertise to build thriving communities, delivering valuable insights, entertainment, or guidance, while steering clear of face-centric content. Stock footage and Creative Commons content offer a treasure trove of visuals for creators aiming to produce captivating videos. Platforms like Pexels, Pixabay, or Unsplash provide access to high-quality footage, including nature scenes, cityscapes, and abstract visuals, enabling creators to weave captivating stories without being on camera. While these resources don't rely on personal appearances, they necessitate a creative eye for storytelling and understanding of licensing rights. Creators proficient in using these tools can produce visually enthralling content that resonates with audiences, showcasing expertise or delivering educational insights without the necessity of facing the camera. YouTube's partner program enables creators to earn through video advertisements. While on-camera presence isn't obligatory, substantial ad revenue typically requires high viewership and engagement rates. Collaborating with brands or sponsors can be a lucrative avenue. Creators can seamlessly integrate products or services into their content through sponsorships, generating income via promotional agreements. Affiliate marketing offers another revenue stream. By recommending products or services through unique affiliate links, creators earn commissions for every sale or conversion generated. Branded merchandise and digital products, like ebooks or exclusive content, allow creators to monetize their brand without the need for on-camera presence. Engaging with viewers via live streams, exclusive content, or personalized interactions fosters a supportive community willing to contribute to the channel's growth. The landscape of YouTube continues to evolve, unveiling innovative avenues for creators to engage audiences, share expertise, and monetize content while preserving anonymity or exploring alternative creation styles. YouTube's inclusivity caters to creators with diverse preferences, skills, and aspirations. Exploring these non-face content avenues encourages experimentation, innovation, and the embracing of unique creative journeys. The future of YouTube seems promising for creators venturing into uncharted territories. Diverse content creation methods and monetization strategies not only broaden opportunities, but also nurture a dynamic and inclusive creator ecosystem. If you want to learn more, click the link below to secure your spot in the online program Tube Mastery, where you learn every step to earn massive amount of money on YouTube without showing your face. Thank you for joining us in this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content.